Think you know how to make your car last? Most people follow the manual, but the real secrets to a long-lasting car are rarely mentioned. After 50 years as a mechanic, I've seen shiny cars die young and old beaters outlast them all. The difference? Smart daily habits. Today, I'll reveal 7 overlooked routines that can double your car's life. No expensive repairs, just simple changes. Forget the myths and dealership tricks. These are the habits that keep cars running for hundreds of thousands of miles. Ready to turn your car into a legend? Grab a notepad, let's get started. Let's dive into the 7 habits that separate scrapyard candidates from forever cars. Your tires are the only part of your car touching the road. Ignore them, and you're asking for trouble. Don't wait for the warning light. Check your tire pressure weekly, first thing in the morning, with a quality digital gauge. Use the PSI listed on your door jamb, not the tire itself. Proper inflation means longer-lasting tires, better fuel economy, and less strain on your engine and transmission. Underinflated tires make your car work harder, wearing out expensive parts faster. 2 minutes a week can save you thousands in repairs. Make it a Sunday habit. Check all 4 tires and the spare. This simple routine is the foundation of a car that lasts. You'll drive safer, save money, and keep your car running strong. Don't skip it. It's a game changer. Oil changes are just the start. Don't forget your transmission, brake, and power steering fluids. Lifetime transmission fluid is a myth. Flush it every 50,000 to 60,000 miles to avoid costly repairs. Brake fluid absorbs water, lowering its boiling point and risking brake failure. Flush it every 2-3 years. Power steering fluid gets dirty too. Replace it every 60,000 miles to protect your steering system. Neglecting these fluids is like skipping doctor checkups. Problems build up silently. Fresh fluids keep your car's vital systems running smoothly and prevent expensive breakdowns. Don't wait for trouble. Be proactive. Schedule these fluid changes and stick to them. It's cheap insurance for your car's most expensive parts. Stay ahead, and your car will thank you with years of reliable service. Your engine needs clean air to run efficiently. Don't suffocate it with a dirty air filter. Check your engine air filter at every oil change, especially if you drive in dusty areas. If you can't see light through it, replace it. It's a cheap, 5-minute fix. A clogged filter robs power, kills fuel economy, and lets dirt damage your engine. Don't forget the cabin air filter either. It keeps your AC running strong and the air inside fresh. Clean filters mean better performance, longer engine life, and a healthier ride. Don't wait for your mechanic to tell you. Make it a habit. It's one of the best bangs for your buck in car care. How you drive matters as much as maintenance. Hard acceleration and sudden braking hammer your engine, transmission, brakes, and suspension. Drive smoothly, accelerate gently, anticipate stops, and let your car coast when possible. This mechanical sympathy reduces stress on every moving part. Treat your car like it's carrying a full glass of water, no spills. You'll save money on repairs, brakes, and fuel. Smooth driving isn't just safer, it's the secret to a car that lasts. Leave the race car moves for the track. Respect your machine and it'll reward you with years of trouble-free miles. Still warming up your car by idling? Stop. Modern engines don't need long warm-ups. Idling wastes gas and increases engine wear. Excess fuel during idling washes oil off cylinder walls, causing damage. The best way to warm up is to drive gently after 30 seconds. Your engine reaches optimal temperature faster, burning off moisture and contaminants. Old advice was for carbureted engines. Today's cars are different. Start, wait a few seconds, and drive easy. Ditch the idling habit for a longer-lasting engine. Short trips are silent killers for your engine. Cold starts and quick shutoffs mean oil stays thick, moisture builds up, and sludge forms. Your engine, battery, and exhaust all suffer. Combine errands to minimize cold starts. Aim for drives long enough to fully warm up the engine. If it's a short trip, consider walking or biking. Your car is built for cruising, not constant start-stop cycles. Fewer cold starts mean less wear and a much longer engine life. Plan smart, drive smart, and your engine will thank you. Don't let the sun destroy your car's interior and seals. UV rays crack dashboards, fade seats, and dry out rubber seals, leading to leaks and costly repairs. Use a windshield sunshade every time you park, and seek shade or use a car cover when possible. Treat interior surfaces with UV protectant and conditioned leather seats. These small steps keep your car looking new and prevent expensive water damage. Protecting your car's skin preserves its value and comfort. 10 seconds with a sunshade can save you thousands. Make sun protection a habit, not an afterthought. There you have it. 7 simple habits that can double your car's life. It's not about spending big, but being smart and consistent. Check tires, change fluids, keep filters clean, drive smooth, avoid idling, combine trips, and protect from the sun. These small routines add up to big savings and a car that just won't quit. Share your own car care tips in the comments, and subscribe for more secrets to keep your ride running strong. Thanks for watching. See you next time.